Hold it, you got it. Give it back.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Seibo Shen from 10th Planet San Mateo, and today I'm going to show you my favorite submission, the baseball bat choke. It's the one thing that I'm really good at in jiu-jitsu, so let's go over that technique. So the first thing is, you've probably seen this choke, you know, on the top side, you know, when you have someone in side control and you're just choking the crap out of them here. But what I like to do is I like to do it from the bottom. You know, it's a little bit trickier, but it works really, really well. And at a minimum, you end up getting a sweep. So let's just start off here in close guard. You know, I'll always be trying to break the person down. He's gonna want to posture up and kind of, you know, break my leg down and, you know, start getting into side control here, right? So typically at this point, you know, we're still kind of hand fighting, I'm framing, trying to keep him away, and he'll be trying to work his leg out. And once he works his leg out here, I'm going to cup the back of his head. And by cupping the back of his head, and he gets out, I'm going to look at my watch here, and this is when I got him. Look at the watch, get a gable grip, and then I'm going to pinch my two elbows together. Get a really nice squeeze here. And then from here, one of the common mistakes I see is people just try to get the sweep and they'll start bringing the person over. But typically if they do that, there's too much room and space and he'll start framing away with his arms and then straightening your arms out, and then you won't have enough leverage. So what I like to do is, once I get this, I like to put my head close to his head and then start the roll. And once I get the roll over here, instead of just, I see a lot of people, you know, pick people up and try to squeeze. What I like to do is I like to fold himself into himself, and that really cuts off the blood to their head and you get a really nice choke right here. So let's take a closer look right here. If you can see the folding action, and that's how you get a really, really good baseball bat choke.
Push that leg!
Okay, so this is how you will see it in real life. So as you can see, I have him in my closed guard right now. I open up my guard and he's already thinking about passing. And once I let him pass into side control, you'll see that I grab the gable grip right there, and I'm really trying to sweep him over. It would have been better for him to just let me sweep him, but he's really fighting it, and you can see he's pushing against my face. I should have kept my head a little bit closer, but now that I start folding over, you will see that, well, he's been asleep for quite some time now. So really, really cool technique, really, really effective, especially if you're smaller and you're getting smashed all the time, and really hope you enjoyed it. All right, until next time, guys.